So here's the game plan. We gotta create the top and the bottom. They look the same. They have 5 pieces. And then the body strap, which has 10 pieces. And it's a straight line. So just to preview, here's the top part. Since the top part is done, I'm going to do the bottom part since they're identicals. So here we go, got 5 pieces. And what I want to do is we want to put them together like pizzas, slices of pizzas, I guess. Now, it is best to use stapler, but if you don't have one, that's perfectly fine. See that mess up a little bit. That's fine. I'm not gonna fix it. So that's that. Now, if you don't have stapler, you can use tape. So say for example, I put these two together, make sure they're aligned. I turn it around, use my tape, and tape it. Now I forgot to mention that you should design your triangle before putting them together because it'll be harder to design once the pieces are done, but it is still very possible if your icosahedron is smaller than mine. Because right now this one is pretty long. Compared to our example, if you have something this small or a little bit bigger, you can still design on it easier. But when it's bigger, it may be harder, but up to you. So at this point, you can connect this together so that you can make this bottom or top. Or if you like this flare, you can connect it this way and your result will be more like a flower lantern. And then you can also design the flap. It's entirely up to you, but I do like the traditional way of just going inside and the result being more geometric. Okay, so I'm gonna connect the flaps together like so. And at this part, I feel that tape is better at the last strip because it's a little harder to get through with the big stapler unless you get a smaller one. I can still try it though. It's harder, much harder. Now to do the body strap, it's very easy, just opposites, basically. Opposite, like so, and put it into a straight line. Just connect them, staple them all into a straight line. So let's go. Okay, so we have the top, we have the bottom, and we have the body strap. So it's time to connect them together, but I'm not going to connect them together because I need this for demos. Okay, so top and bottom right here, as you can see. And then this is the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we have the top and the bottom. Hello everyone, this is Miss G and she is helping me hold the paper pieces so that I can connect them together. This represents the top and this represents the bottom, and we have the belt or the body strap that goes around it. But I'm not gonna staple it because I need it for instruction. But here we have our body strap, aka the belt. And it's gonna wrap around nicely because when you wrap this around, this is 10. So when you wrap it around, it's 5. And when you count right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will fit perfectly. 5 at the bottom, 5 at the top. The belt, the almighty belt, will stick together, and this will become a ginormous icosahedron. All right, let's go.